Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome to a quick little tutorial on assignments for January 25th through 29th of 2021. First thing I'd like to share with you is our first assignment. And that first assignment is finishing up the book, The Broken Blade. So all students, look here for assignments is where you go. Assignments for the week of January 25th to the 29th. That's what we're looking for. Right there. So here's your first assignment. It's the last chapter in the book, The Broken Blade. Read that one chapter, listen to me read it aloud, or you guys read it to yourselves. Whatever you prefer. Okay? Then what I'm going to be asking you to do is for the second assignment for the week is there's an end of the book final assignment. So open that up. And what I'm asking you to do here is pretty easy, but it's going to take some time and it's going to require for you to give it some thought. For this assignment, you will choose 3 of the 6 questions to answer. There are 6 questions here. All I'm asking you to do is choose 3 of them. If you want to do more than 3, that'd be great. I'll give you extra credit. Please use a copy of the book, The Broken Blade. You can get that from me in school. If you are unable to come to school, you can go ahead and use the chapters that are online that I've read aloud to you. Use those as a resource. Use a copy of the book, The Broken Blade, to complete this assignment. You may use a physical copy of the book or use the videos that I have made on Schoology as a reference. You need to write down the question and then give a complete thought for an answer. Okay? No one-word answers, please, boys and girls. I want you to give me as much information as you can. So what I'd like you to do is go to Notability, type up the questions that you're choosing to answer. The 3 questions you choose to answer. All right? For example, if you choose number 1, the main character in our book is Pierre LePage. Please tell me how Pierre, I misspelled that, sorry, I left the I out. Please tell me how Pierre has changed during the course of the book from a 13-year-old schoolboy to a real voyageur. All right, use detail and description. What I'm asking you to do there is to give me some information from the book, some textual evidence, some proof how he has changed from a schoolboy who lacked confidence in himself to a voyageur who completed a 2,400-mile trip from Montreal to Grand Portage and back. Give me some evidence how you believe he's changed. All right, detail and description. It's going to take you some time. Number 2, here's another one. Please describe as best as you can how the fur trade, in your opinion, works. All right, I'd like to know your opinion, okay? Number 3, please tell me if you did or did not like this book. Please give me reasons why you believe what you believe. Don't just say that you liked the book or disliked the book. Give me reasons. Please explain. So if you like the book, that's awesome. Tell me why you like the book. Hey, I like the book, The Broken Blade, because. Or, I really didn't care for the book. Thank you very much, Mr. T, and here's why I didn't care for it. Just seeking your opinion. Number 4, please give me a description of what it was like to be a voyageur. Again, I would like you to give me some textual evidence. What was it like being a voyageur? Was it easy? They just sat in their butts all day, didn't do anything, didn't have to lift anything, didn't have to do any work. Or, wow, it was really difficult being a voyageur because. Again, give me some textual evidence. Number 5, please describe how you believe this first trip as a voyageur has changed Pierre. Do you think he's different from the beginning of the book to the end? Or how do you think his life will be different now that he's become a voyageur? And number 6, what have you learned about being a voyageur from reading this book? Please explain. Again, give me some textual evidence. Okay, again, you choose 3 out of these 6 questions to answer. Your choice. Please write down the question on Notability, on Notability, and answer it on Notability, and then send it to me. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much, and we'll be seeing you.